So we're gonna go down this way and around.
Okay.
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Hi, chicken. Can I pet you?
No, he knows you're not vegan. Run! She's gonna eat you!
Don't go in the car. Don't go in the car.
You're angry.
No, they're just horny.
It's not even mating season.
Do you even know that?
Yes, because the guy told us.
Oh.
Dope.
Oh, that's a big ass spider.
Where? Oh, it's inside.
Inside? Holy shit.
It's inside.
It's inside of it?
Yeah.
What the fuck? It's not alive. Wait. Do we need a... Oh, this is
Yep,
not the map.
it's live.
It's not the map.
That's a map.
It is? Yeah. No, this is like... Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah. So we're gonna go down this way and around.
Okay.
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Ooh.
Wow. Whoever made these trails is like tight.
Yeah.
Can I stand right there and somebody take a picture?
Yes.
Got it.
Get off the edge now.
Okay.
Don't push me because you're close. Dad, you said you need to go to the bathroom. Toilet paper.
Yeah, there's toilet paper down there. Thanks for it.
Yeah.
Backstreet Boys and we aren't.
All of us were like, rock your body.
Everybody, yeah.
Rock your body right. Shake your baby.
Shake your... Is this the kind of tree they make guardrails out of? Is it real? Sounds fake.
Maybe?
The tree are you? Kind of tree are you? What kind of tree are you?
It's speaking to me.
What's it say? This is the new walk. It's a interesting.
Like the original, you know.
It's a remix, really.
Yeah, remix. There you go. Keeping on the trail. Keeping on the trail. Keeping on the trail.
Oh, tropical!
Oh my god.
Wow.
I can't. I can't. Turn around.
Yeah, we have to leave.
I have to leave. I can't.
Here we are at the pools. Oh, I mean, what do you expect of me? You want me to not swim in that? Ugh. I don't know, man. Even though it's not the clearest, I still want to be inside it. Hello? It's cold, and I'm in it. I think it's too cold to do all the way. It's so cold. It's ice cold. Jeff Goldblum and shirtless.
I keep thinking you have a better phone.
Duh.
Nice.